Encountering elephants during their mating season in a safari can be unpredictable and potentially dangerous, especially when male elephants are in musth. This terrifying incident occurred near Kruger Park in South Africa. Safari guides are trained to handle these situations by keeping calm, avoiding sudden movements or loud noises, and slowly and carefully moving the vehicle to retreat from the area. However, this sudden encounter with the bull elephant led the safari guide in front of the vehicle to jump away to save his life. The elephant's tusks crushed and wrecked the safari vehicle, pushing it off the road. Respecting the animal's space and behavior is always crucial in such encounters.